I'm about to do something that I'll completely regret or completely love. We'll have to see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with risky video, shall we say. So if you have been on my channel before, you know that I've got this sewing leave out that I did in November. Yes, and it's nice. It's not that long, but I feel like I need a bit of a change. I feel like with me, like with hairstyles, I have one like for like keep it in for 3 months and then I just need some change. And I had a dream I had a short bob and I looked so pretty in it, so I woke up wanting a short bob, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I have some new growth on this top part of my hair, probably inside as well, but it's actually making it hard to blend in. Plus it's like it's kind of falling out, like when I touch it, like my hair comes out. So I need to relax the top part, only the new growth. And then but first I'll cut my hair, relax the top part. If I like it, I'll relax the top part and blend it in nice and snatch and looking cute. Honestly, as soon as like when I think about getting a bob, it's mind blowing because I've never had like a short bob and I've seen so many nice videos. Let me get my leave out of the way and then we can start chopping the hair. The nose is blocked, so sorry if I sound a bit stuffed. I'm still thinking whether I should do this. I mean, I'm about to take it out anyway, so I might as well just do it. Let me start by brushing it out, especially this top part. What if am I doing the right thing? I know I want to do it, but should I? I think I should. I think short hair makes you look younger or older. Me and my sister, we think older, and I look young anyway, so that's not really an issue. What am I doing? What am I actually doing? Let's take a thumbnail first. I should start by doing this, maybe wetting the hair. This hair is actually so good, such a good quality. It's called Pansy hair. You check out my video where I review the hair. Maybe I'll put it up here somewhere. Everyone I've saw on YouTube didn't actually wet their hair, but hairdressers do wet the hair. Even though this is not real hair, but I think it's basically something. Actually, it's human hair, so it is. My only fear is that it won't like. Oh, there's this video I watched, and they said you need to like cut it carefully because obviously you don't want to look like Lord Farquhar, and that was so funny. I just need to make sure it's a line that suits my face. I think short hair will suit my face because I had a drink. Let's go for it. Let's chop it. Okay, so I need to think. I don't want it here. I just want to like, I don't want it touching my shoulders as much. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm thinking like here. Let's start. I'll go with this. Oh no, someone said not to use craft scissors, so I'll use this. Is this a bad decision? It's just hair, you know, not like, and I'm taking it away, so let's go. Let's do this. People do this. I think I should start. It's better to have it down. Like, okay, let's start like this. I'll do it here so I can sweep the floor after. Okay, let's go. So you see, this is too long, I think. I don't want it this long. I want it shorter. I'm thinking like here. Let's go for it. I think this looks good. Or should I go short? Okay, let's not risk doing anything that might regret. Let's take the next chunk. I'm ready for myself. It's not even half. What I need to do, ooh, is actually so cute. I like it. Let's look at the back. Let me put it like this. I just think it needs to be shorter. Like, it's touching my shoulders, which is not what I want. I want it to be just like above my shoulders. Touching my shoulders. I don't want it to touch my shoulders. I want it a short bob, but this is not a short bob. So let's just cut it more. Just above the shoulders. I'll say it looks pretty good. Should I go with this length? I think I might, you know. First thing, mind your business. And then like I get. First thing, mind your business. First thing, mind your business. So as you can hear, I'm still a bit stuffed, but after that clip of me enjoying myself, and apologies if that was cringy, I relaxed my hair, just the top part, put conditioner, shampoo and all that stuff, and just bumped the hair a little bit, as you can see. Hi guys, this is the following day and this is how the bob looks. So I've styled it a little bit, like I did some kind of curtain bangs at the top, and I haven't, yesterday I tried to straighten it, but which I did straighten it yesterday actually. I tried to put it in like a swoop, but by this morning it was just like this, which I actually don't mind. So yes, this was a good decision and I'm glad I did it. So yeah, thanks for seeing throughout this video. If you are thinking about cutting a bob, I think it's the way to go. And yeah, I don't regret this decision at all. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.